Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the maximum transfer at Bask Bank. I'm often asked this question by my viewers, and I'm happy to answer it today. But before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding your bank's transfer limits. Knowing your transfer limits can help you avoid overdraft fees and other penalties. It can also help you plan your finances more effectively. So, with that in mind, let's get started. What is the maximum transfer at Bask Bank? The maximum transfer at Bask Bank is $10,000 per day. This means that you can't transfer more than $10,000 to or from your Bask Bank account in a single day. However, there are a few things to keep in mind about this limit. First, the $10,000 limit is for all transfers combined, not just for individual transfers. So, if you make multiple transfers in a day, the total amount of those transfers can't exceed $10,000. Second, the $10,000 limit is for transfers between Bask Bank accounts only. You can transfer more than $10,000 to or from a bank account that is not with Bask Bank. Third, the $10,000 limit is subject to change. Bask Bank may increase or decrease the limit at any time. How can I increase my transfer limit? If you need to transfer more than $10,000 to or from your Bask Bank account, you can contact Bask Bank and request a higher transfer limit. Bask Bank may be able to increase your transfer limit if you can provide them with documentation that proves your need for a higher limit. For example, you may need to provide them with a copy of a recent tax return or a business financial statement. What are the consequences of exceeding my transfer limit? If you exceed your transfer limit, Bask Bank may charge you an overdraft fee. The amount of the overdraft fee will vary depending on your bank. In addition to an overdraft fee, you may also be subject to other penalties, such as having your account suspended or closed. How can I avoid exceeding my transfer limit? There are a few things you can do to avoid exceeding your transfer limit. Be aware of your transfer limit. Plan your transfers in advance. Don't make multiple transfers in a day. If you need to transfer a large amount of money, contact your bank in advance and let them know. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for a bank that offers high transfer limits, I recommend checking out Bask Bank. Thanks for watching. In addition to the information I shared in the video, I would also like to add that it is important to be aware of the risks associated with transferring large amounts of money. Before you transfer a large amount of money, you should always make sure that you understand the risks involved. You should also make sure that you are transferring the money to a trusted source. If you are unsure about the risks involved in transferring a large amount of money, you should always consult with a financial advisor. If you have any questions about the maximum transfer at Bask Bank, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for a bank that offers high transfer limits, I recommend checking out Bask Bank. Thanks for watching.